Hello YouTube, this is Marius from CarPlayMode and I want to show you our project that we just finished installing, and this is Lexus LX570 2010, and we have installed Android head unit and 360 camera. We just finished calibrating it. Finally, took a while, a whole day and a bit to set up, measure everything and calibrate, but the result is finally here. So just overall, I wanted to show you what I couldn't find myself in YouTube is where we have installed the 360 aftermarket cameras on this car. The car came with 360 aftermarket cameras, but the client didn't really like the quality already of it, so we decided to install the aftermarket ones. So first camera, reverse camera, we installed it in the original spot. So as you can see here is the reverse camera, aftermarket one, fisheye, installed in the reverse original camera spot. So normally it's recommended to install it here, but we decided to go the original way, and yeah, it looks okay and you can see quite a lot. You will see what you can see through this camera. Another camera, or two cameras, side cameras. Side cameras, we decided not to ruin this part and not to try to invade the mirror cover here. And this is original camera already here, so we decided not to break it or ruin this part, and we decided to install it here in the mirror cover that clips behind the mirror or downwards the mirror. It was a little bit of pain to do this because it's hard to get the right angle, but finally during the calibration process we made it, and kind of successfully, I would say. But this is the part what I couldn't find nowhere where to install these cameras if you don't want to drill holes and do this. So maybe it will be useful for someone. Also, front camera, we had original camera here, but original camera was big and already the quality was really degrading. So we managed to make some holders from the provided holders and some computer parts, some metal studs, mounted it, and it's quite stiff already. It's not, you cannot move it very. So again, as for the front camera, we have installed it in the original spot as well. We used some computer parts, computer fixing parts. These are studs. You can buy them online or anywhere. And we mounted it to the original bracket. And now the camera is quite steady. You cannot move it easily. And it's also set in the correct position and calibrated with this calibration mat. So left side camera, same thing. We installed it back at the lower part of the mirror cover, and we can see the result. So and now we can see the result of 360 image here. .360 app turns on, and we have the 360 degree view. Of course, it's a little bit tight of space, but I believe with what we had, the result is really good. We have nice view from the top. We have back view. Oh, nice view from the top. We have back view. We have front view, back view, side view, another side view, different side views here and there. Also different angles, left and right side, from this different perspectives. Front, wheel arches, back, you can see only back camera, and other things. So yeah, this project took us a while. Took us a while to complete. However, finally we succeeded. And overall, it was quite a fun project to work on. And I hope our client will be satisfied. So today that's it. And hopefully we will manage to show some interesting projects we are doing in CarPlay mode in the near future. Ciao.